Now that we have a filter on, let's crop. I'm going to choose my crop tool. There we go. And at the very top of your screen in the information bar, you might see something that looks like ratio or something else, but we want to make sure that you're using the pull down option and you're choosing width times height times resolution. Again, we're kind of used to thinking width by height, right, in inches. So we're going to keep that going. Resolution is the quality of the photograph, the DPI. And the resolution for this photo should just kind of naturally be 300, because I shot it on a nicer camera. All right, so in this world now, we're going to need to crop this picture smaller to fit into all the different locations on your file for the filters. So we want to turn this into, making sure that it says inches, we want 2.5 inches, IN, by 4. All right, look what that did. This shows me the squared off area that the photo is now going to be. This is its proportion, right? And then what it's showing in the grayer areas off to the side is the part that's going to get cropped out. I can take my move tool, there's a little move arrow, and I can kind of decide where of this picture I want to have centered. If I want to put myself a little bit further in the middle, I can come over to here. If I want it to be slightly off center, I can bring it back over here. So you choose how you want to crop the photo, right? Now that you've got it filtered. So all you have to do once you get it set to where you want it is hit the enter key. You might have to hit enter twice. All right, and that sets the image for you, and it has officially been cropped width by height by its resolution, 2.5 inches by 4 inches.